China is expanding its presence at the South Pole, with construction workers leaving its Taishan Station on Wednesday to build the Taishan Summer Field Cap, the country's fourth Antarctic base. Site inspection for another research station will also be carried out at Antarctica's Victoria Land during a 155-day expedition launched on November 7th. It is China's 30th mission to the continent since 1984. The Taishan Cap will be used from December to March, and the construction of the main building is expected to be complete next year. Construction will take about 40 days. Located between the Zhongshan and Kunlun stations, the base will provide logical supports. ICN News 关键 San Francisco report. South China's Guangdong province reported its third human H7N9 case in 4 days on Wednesday, raising the total H7N9 cases in the province to 5 since August. The new patient is a 62-year-old resident surnamed Liang in Yangjiang City, said the provincial health authority. He is in critical condition. A 39-year-old man in Dongguan City and a 65-year-old woman in Yangjiang were confirmed to have been infected by the H7N9 strain on Sunday and Monday, respectively. So far, Guangdong has confirmed 5 human H7N9 cases since August 10th, with 2 in Dongguan, 2 in Yangjiang, and 1 in Huizhou City. Its first case, a 51-year-old woman in Huizhou, recovered in September after being treated in a hospital for more than 1 month. The province dispatched 5 inspection teams to 21 cities and a district on Wednesday to strengthen H7N9 prevention and control efforts. ICN News 关键 San Francisco report. Billions and billions. That's how many dollars the new Kings Arena will generate for Sacramento. As in, the entertainment and sports complex, if located downtown, is expected to bring over $7 billion of economic impact to the region over the next 30 years. That's the claim by the group DowntownArena.org, an extension of the developer group Region Builders, formed to promote a new publicly subsidized Sacramento King Arena. DowntownArena.org really drives home the economic impact message on its website, totaling $100 million in the revenue annually for the downtown and $157 million a year in the economic activity for the region. In fact, Region Builders Director Joshua Wood said that $7 billion is probably a conservative number. It will absolutely transform Sacramento.
If there is anyone who chooses to challenge the project, they will likely challenge the EIR. So it really doesn't serve anybody's purposes to build shortcuts.
ICN News 关键 San Francisco report.
On Wednesday, BART and its 2 biggest labor unions returned to the bargaining table to resolve a dispute over a contract provision that allows for employees to have up to 6 weeks of paid family medical leave annually. Members voted on November 1st to approve a tentative agreement that includes a paid medical leave provision. But after the vote, BART management said it had not intended to include that agreement in the contract and claimed it had been mistakenly inserted by a temporary employee. On November 21st, BART directors approved the contract without the paid family medical leave provision and told unions to vote on the new agreement. Leaders of the unions refused and instead filed a lawsuit alleging that the management had acted unlawfully and had to honor the agreement. They met for 2 days last week without success but are meeting again to try to resolve their differences. ICN News Sarah Gong, San Francisco report.
Caltrans activated its complex fix for the broken rod on the new eastern span of the Bay Bridge on Thursday morning after the cost ballooned to $25 million, marking the end of the most embarrassing chapter in the largest public work project in state history. The need for the costly retrofit, originally priced at $10 million, became apparent in March when 32 of 96 hardened galvanized steel rods used to hold on giant seismic stabilizers on the span snapped less than 2 weeks after they were tightened. ICN News San Francisco 吕建景 report.